We've all been there. You dig up an old 1080p clip or some grainy phone footage and try to drop it into a 4K project. You scale it up, cross your fingers, and hope it looks decent. But instead, it turns out soft, blurry, and noisy. That's what I call fake 4K. The resolution might technically be higher, but the detail just isn't there. Why? Because your editing software is only stretching pixels. It can't magically create new information. That's where AI comes in. Today, I'm testing ARD Video Enhancer, a tool built to convert 1080 to 4K the right way, by reconstructing missing detail instead of just enlarging the image. The app itself is clean and easy to use. Under the hood, it tackles the three biggest problems we usually face: low resolution, heavy noise, and low frame rates. It uses hybrid AI models with GPU acceleration, so it's not just accurate, it's fast enough for real projects. Let's start simple. Here's a decent 1080 clip. Looks fine on its own, but in a 4K timeline, it completely falls apart. I'll drag it into ARD, choose my AI model, and set the output to 4K. For high-quality footage where I want realistic detail, I'll go with the Detail V2 model. Before rendering the whole file, I can preview the result. And the difference, night and day. The ARD version isn't just sharper. It's rebuilt fine details that didn't even exist in the original. That's the real difference between basic upscaling and true AI enhancement. Now, what about footage that looks unusable? We all have clips destroyed by high ISO or bad lighting. Here's one that's a noisy disaster. Normally, I'd delete this, but in ARD, I'll use the Denoise Plus Sharpen models. The AI cleans up the digital grain while keeping natural texture, no plasticky, waxed-over look. The result? A sharper, cleaner video that's completely usable. Another killer feature is AI frame interpolation. If you've ever slowed down 30 fps footage, you know how choppy it looks. ARD can boost frame rates up to 120 fps by generating entirely new in-between frames. The motion comes out smooth as butter, without the warping and ghosting you'd see from traditional optical flow. This unlocks cinematic quality slow motion from regular clips. So whether you're restoring old archive footage, fixing noisy phone video, or making sure your 1080p content truly holds up in a 4K project, ARD Video Enhancer is a serious tool. It delivers genuine AI-powered upscaling, not just stretched pixels. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy. Learn video editing, graphic design work at professional editing services. And that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.